fire, copper, and centuries of tradition. Welcome to the ancient craft of Persian metalsmithing. Today, we're taking you inside the workshop to witness the forging of a massive copper Sangab, a regal ornamental chalice sculpted entirely by hand from raw sheets of metal. Every monumental piece starts flat. The master artisan begins with a heavy sheet of pure copper. Along the edge, a series of interlocking teeth are hand-cut and carefully bent alternately up and down. The sheet is rolled into a cylinder, and the notched edges are woven tightly into a cramped seam. With firm blows of a steel hammer, the seam is beaten flat to lock the joint into place mechanically before heat is ever applied. To make this bond unbreakable, the craftsman coats the seam with a specialized brazing flux. Using a high-temperature oxy-fuel torch, the copper is brought up to a glowing heat. Molten filler metal is swept along the joint, flowing deep between the interlocked teeth through capillary action. Once fused, the glowing seam is worked over an iron stake anvil, ensuring the weld is dense, smooth, and perfectly blended. After a quick water quench to halt the heat, the hardened cylinder is shaped using a heavy wooden mallet. Wood delivers force without gouging the soft copper, gradually coaxing the stiff sheet into a smooth, balanced circular barrel. Next comes the lower taper. The edge is softened with the torch to restore the metal's malleability. Heavy snips bite into the rim at regular intervals, creating another crown of dovetail tabs. Each tab is pried outward, ready to receive the vessel's bottom cap. A circular copper disc is domed into shape and nested snugly inside the flared tabs. One by one, the artisan folds and hammers the teeth over the edge, creating a rock-solid mechanical clasp around the entire circumference. Back at the brazing station, flux powder is sprinkled generously along the seam line. Under the roaring flame, brass brazing rod melts directly into the joint, sealing the base with a golden ring of fused alloy. Hammering while hot forces the molten metal deep into any micro crevices for a lifetime of durability. A rapid douse of water creates a sudden plume of steam. Once cool to the touch, an angle grinder dressed with a fine abrasive disc cleans away fire scale and excess weld material, leaving a flush, seamless transition. Now for the expansive upper bowl. Starting from a large circular plate, the coppersmith works outward in concentric rings. Thousands of rhythmic hammer strikes displace and stretch the metal, gradually dishing the flat sheet into a wide, flared basin. Work hardening occurs with every strike. To soften the stubborn metal again, it goes into the roaring hearth of the annealing kiln until it glows cherry red, followed by a quench in the cooling bath. The copper is now relaxed and ready for intricate shaping. True Persian craftsmanship is built on sacred geometry. Using wing dividers and steel rules, the master marks out flawless radial divisions across the globe of the vessel. A pilot hole is drilled straight through the center axis, which will anchor the bowl to its pedestal. Here is where artistry takes over. Working along the scored guidelines with shaped setting hammers and chasers, the artisan raises deep, uniform ribs around the body. This classic melon-fluted profile gives the bowl exceptional structural strength and timeless Persian elegance. Finally, the massive fluted bowl is seated atop its ornate, hand-turned pedestal base. What began as flat sheets of copper has been transformed into a majestic Sangab chalice, ready for the final stages of master engraving and turquoise inlay. If you enjoyed watching this ancient craft come alive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.